Fantastic. So, well, thank you. Thank you to everyone who spoke, all the panelists, attendees, for good questions, good humor, lovely content. It's been really great to have you and to work with you. Just want to hammer home the points again there. Really, this safety, power, and flexibility. That protecting you and your data and your choices, giving you that digital sovereignty back, I think is core to what we're doing. Power. We don't want a wiki style editing where you can learn a strange markup language to add bold to things and so on. We want the wealth of collaboration along with the idea that the document lives in the cloud and has a defined place and is an object and can be edited there, which is so important to users and their sort of mental concept of where things live. We want to fuse that then with a real Office suite that provides the real tools for doing data analysis and charting and spreadsheets and presentations and, of course, writing beautiful paginated documents. So we want to satisfy the users, and it's thrilling to hear, from Arawa and others of how pleased people are to use the tools. So Pirate Party, using it doesn't get better as adverts go. And then that flexibility, just being able to do anything. I think it always saddens me when people, can't make their software work, or they think there are all of these limitations there, that can't be done. To have that world of possibility where that we enjoy as developers and that we see, but often is not, available to others, and just making that available to all of our partners and our users to make their dreams come true, their visions, their clever ideas. And I think we've seen some of that, from eGroupware's placeholders to secure view things to extraordinarily new user interfaces and richer collaborative experiences are going on with our partners. And it's great to be part of that. And of course, the flexibility around deployment and scaling that and security and how you handle that and where you put it. So safe, powerful, flexible. That's it. Thanks to our partners, all of whom are committed to integrating Collabora Online and getting document freedom, digital sovereignty into their products and out of there, and helping their users fund that too. I think that's an important part of open source. I think that was mentioned in the panel. It's very easy to take and not contribute back. And so it's just reassuring to know that where you see Collabora Online, you can be sure that all of this is going and being contributed back to the LibreOffice technology underneath us, to Collabora Online, but also to the pieces of software in between in a sustainable way. And also, of course, it's just great to work with our partners. Many of them are really, just old friends, and it's fun to work with them. So 230 partners to choose from, some of them here today. I encourage you to look out for them. So next year, my hope is that we have an in-person meetup and the world is back to normal. Perhaps with the virtual component. This is a picture of our last in-person meetup in Almeria in Spain. And just before we went snorkeling, I think, or maybe there was a walk first. I don't know, something like that. But here's Kendi and Miklos, two of our key leaders earlier, doing their paddleboarding and airsoft. The Dutch military was a customer of ours, so we thought we should learn to shoot each other gently or something. So hopefully we'll have some fun event like that in the next year. And if you can't make that, then hopefully it'll be easy to join virtually. So thank you very much for joining us. I'm looking forward to your feedback emails and all of the inputs. Thanks once again to Arawa and to also Scaleway for hosting us on Big Blue Button and helping out with that. And of course, the whole team who've worked so hard to put this on and make all the slides slide. So thank you so very much for all of the planning and work there, particularly from Pedro, William, Core, and Elisa, and the marketing team, generally Mark, and so on. So thank you. And that, I'm afraid, is it. And I shall see you, hopefully, next year. Thank you very much.